Thanks for joining us in this edition of Renovation Time. We're in this renovated bathroom. It's all completely new. So a lot of questions we have when customers come into the showroom is something I'm going to try to answer for you right now. So first part is the shower. So most people now put showers in as opposed to tub showers. And people ask me, does it matter to have just a shower as opposed to a tub in your house? It's always different for everybody, but we do seem to put a lot more showers and remove tubs now. This one here, great example of a really nice shower. So it's a 60 by 32 inch marble base with an anti-slip floor, so you don't have to worry about slipping. We put the valve here on this wall, so we did relocate the plumbing, and so it's over here. So now, instead of walking into the shower and having worry about getting tripped on the water when you turn it on, now you just turn it on here and your water's gonna shoot out on the other side. You let it get warm. We put a niche on the back wall, and you're probably thinking, well, maybe some don't know, but well, how can they get a niche in the back wall of this one? Well, we furred this wall out. So there's a wall that's framed and insulated and vapor barrier, then another wall. So this is actually inside the actual bathroom. So again, just a nice double niche, but a great location. And then of course the door. So one question we get asked, should I just do a fixed panel or should I do a sliding door? And the answer is, depends on you. So if you're a big splasher and you're in there and there's water going everywhere, definitely put a door on. But you can see this one here, this is a large door. So this is really, this opening here is 18 inches. So enough room for me to get in, no problem. But now I have lots of room to here, which is great. So I'm running out of time. I wanted to talk about the vanity, but as you can see, perfectly designed bathroom. Love the colors. We'll see you next week.
Renovation Time is brought to you by Anden Kitchen and Bath Center. Visit their showroom at 1985 Lansdowne Street West, just west of Braley Drive.